OneApp customer journey management system has two important integral parts. For example, in each branch that we are creating, there are different services, and most of the services would have walk-in customers and appointments. Say, for example, if there is a vaccination event happening, most of the vaccination slots would be appointments. For example, there is a specialist doctor, maybe appointments would be coming. So in OneApp, appointment is a vital part and it should be configured properly according to the services offered in each branch. So once you're logging into the branch, there is a provision to easily configure appointments, and accordingly it can be integrated with web and mobile applications. You could see in the screen on the left side, there is a provision button called appointments. Once you're clicking on it, you will be coming to a landing page like this. In this page, you can easily configure any appointments. So on the right button, you can create a new appointment based on the services offered in that specific branch. Here, we are creating a new appointment schedule for a specific service. Say, for example, we are creating appointments schedules for Dr. Menon. We are making appointment slots and we have to publish it for customers or patients to book in. And basically, in the same manner that we have created services, we can create appointment slots. Here, as it is Dr. Menon, it is starting letter of appointment slot would be M, and appointment slots are started from maybe 1. We can type sample 1. So the next point is, can you book appointment for the same day? It's optional. Some clinics would offer appointments on the same day also. Here we can choose yes, and there is a provision for maybe for specific services we can fix till this date we are offering appointments. Maybe a doctor is only available to a specific date, so we can add a date in that slot, that form. Maybe we are adding next month, like June 30th or something, or June 16th. Yeah, fine. And after that, till this time, maybe till evening 6 o'clock, you are offering provisions for appointment. So you added evening 6 o'clock. What does that mean? Till June 16th, you are offering appointments for Dr. Menon. And there is also a provision to avail some days. For example, number of next available dates, you are adding 60 days. It means that for the next 60 days, Dr. Menon can take up, you can avail appointments for Dr. Menon. In this case, as you have configured previously that appointments are only available till 16th of June, if you reach that date, automatically the appointment slots would be stopped. Now, as in service, the configurations are almost similar. If you have seen the service configuration video, you can print the token. The color scheme can be entered there. If there is any kind of token confirmation needed, it can be given here. Record check-in. Any appointments should be properly checked in through the kiosk in the reception area or somewhere. When someone is walking in, they have to make confirmation about their appointment. It can be easily configured by clicking yes there. And in the same manner as you have configured, if you remember the services, you could ask for names. If you can make the names mandatory, you can ask for email. Maybe if the email is mandatory, you could tell yes there. You can show the appointments on kiosk. There is a provision to send reminders via SMS. Of course, through mobile applications, we have to send notifications to remind the customers. There is a provision for entering and typing extra informations related to any kind of appointments. Uh, for the time being, we are typing some information. something like whatever you want to convey to the customer. And you could configure the way that SMS should be sent to the customer. There is a two-way SMS option, normal SMS option. Basically, you can send reminders to the customer that you have booked the appointment, and further reminders could be sent. In the same manner, notifications can easily be configured, which is very fundamental, very important. Like we may have to continuously remind the customer about their appointment, maybe in the next month or so. After that, as we have done in the service module configuration, appointment module has to be configured. Here there is a slight difference. We are fixing, for example, a time slot. We identify a time slot to be like a 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Say for example, we are taking 15 minutes time slot, and slot is starting maybe early morning 9 o'clock till evening 6 o'clock, if that's fine. It's a normal working hours, isn't it? So it's a 6 o'clock. Number of slots. Normally on 15 minutes we keep the slots one, but in some cases maybe it could be two or three, according to the kind of rush of the kind of services normally availed. In between we have to schedule breaks, isn't it? I mean, there is a tea break, maybe there is a lunch break for those kind of services. It can also be configured accordingly. Once you set all these aspects, normally an appointment schedule is fixed and configured, and this link can be used via mobile web applications to take appointments for any organization. And OneApp is very efficient. Our clients are using appointment schedule very efficiently, basically for doctor booking, vaccination appointments, and other services.